Alrighty boys, happy 4th of July here. You're gonna hear the fireworks going off in the background. It sounds great, but we're gonna get into the verse of the day right quick by Dan P. 1151. Comes from the book of Proverbs, chapter 3, verses 5 through 8. It says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not on your own understanding, in all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight." This verse basically shows that in all situations, you need to trust in the Lord because he will lead you on the right path, and you might not see it at the moment, but it will be for the right reasons. And keep putting verses in the comments, and we're gonna keep featuring y'all, and appreciate y'all's support, and let's get to some spook fishing, shall we? Alrighty, boys and girls, we woke up extra early for this video. Today we're gonna be fishing with my favorite baits to throw in my arsenal. And that back here is, if you can hear it, a spook. This thing should get crushed here. I'm already seeing some good signs here from some bait fish. Already jumped. See, saw it? Already hit my bait. It's the 6 Sense catwalk is what I'm fishing with here. Scoop a battery charge. That was a good one. Missed it. They're active. I'm waiting just to get freaking hammered. Maybe one on the fountain, just hanging out. Oh, there it was. Make another cast at it. Let's make one more at this bank. Jesus Christ, dude, hit the dang spook. One shot hit this point. These fish make me go crazy though, you know? You know it? Just can't seem to get the hooks in them. I don't quite know why. Or not. No idea. Come on, fish. There should be one back there. There he was, huh? That was something that just hit it. I got your ass. Jeez, believe this. I'm about to scream. Cause they act like they want it, but they ain't committing. We're all locked and loaded. At least I catch a fish, dude. Hey. We get one in the fountain. Come on, man. All I'm asking for is a little fishy to get on my hooks. That's why it's called fishing, not catching, apparently. Because we're definitely not catching. But we are fishing. Oh, this thing. Let the fish be the fish. Come on, fishies. Come on, fishies. Take the bait. We've got probably over 6 bites by now. A few of them were actually really good bites. So we're coming back to the place it all started. See if we get that one bite. One more cast to make, bud. Hey, come on. Dang it. Well, we had many topwater blow-ups. Whoa, it's a big voice crack. We had many topwater blow-ups, and we're gonna come out for day 2 tomorrow. Hopefully catch some big ones on a different spook. So we're gonna try to edit this clip decently fast, and we're gonna come out tomorrow with a different spook. Try to catch some bigger and different fish. See y'all boys tomorrow. Alrighty and tidy boys, it's day 2. We're gonna see if we catch some fishies. That's what we came out for. We need to get revenge on these fish, because they whipped our butts yesterday. We brought out a different spook today, same combo. It's like a striking, it's like a tinier spook, so maybe it'll eat it better. So let's get her going. There's a side-to-side action. So I was thinking that just tinier, maybe they'll commit more to it, or maybe it'll be easier to get in their mouth. The moon is still in the sky. I'm gonna show y'all the moon. I don't know. Hey, look at that moon. So I have to make that work too. Over here. Before it even landed. Before it even landed. That's what we're talking about, baby. And that right there is fish number 1 of the day. Good little pounder. Let's get her back. And there she goes. Is that wind? No, that's not. You know what time it is? It's fountain time. Fountain, 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 fountain. Oh, he hit it. He missed it. I'm off the fountain to hit it, and they just like. Oh, dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. I get bit on yesterday, so that's always good. Before that, we got to throw a couple like this. Try to get these pipes out deep right quick. Come on, fishy. There he is. Just a tiny little guy. It's just me, he hit it pretty hard. He's hooked in quite a weird spot here, so we're just gonna get a little quick release off on him. There it goes. Dude, he hit it pretty hard. I wanted to hit a few things right here. Side of right here. Rock somewhere. Let's get more commitment than the other one. I don't get hit on it anymore. Nope. Just gonna hit the fountain again, because we're gonna hit where the shad just popped and the fountain. Let's make a couple more casts. Well, the fish kind of shut off when the sun came out there. And I was thinking that, but like not that bad. So, we caught 2 fishies today. Missed about probably 3 or so. We had a good one hit on the fountain. We had some small ones hit. And then we had a ton hit yesterday. So if that's not a fun 2 days of spook fishing, I don't know what is. Appreciate y'all coming out. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment of your verse of the day so I can feature you in the next video. I appreciate y'all coming out. Thank you. See you later.